Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. You already know I'm Avis, and this is going to be a makeup tutorial. Okay, brought to you by Bestie Gang. And you guys, I am rocking my Bestie Gang shirt. If you can't see what it says, let me show what it says. It says Baho. You guys already know my hands may be dirty, so I don't want to touch it because I have some makeup on my hands because I'm wearing white. But you see it says Baho. And anyways, this makeup look is from them. The whole entire eye, the eyeshadow, and the lashes are from them. The lippy is from NYX Lingerie. And yeah, the lashes are to kill for, and the packaging is amazing. This is how they come, and they look like this. I definitely love these. These are definitely going to be my favorite. And I'm glad I'm going to keep this. So when I do order from her, I'm going to order these. Also, it comes with a Bestie Gang tweezers. And it's really sturdy. It's not cheap feeling. It's not plastic. If it's plastic, it's the best plastic I ever felt. But it's kind of feel like it's like a metal. Yeah, it's metal. And it's really easy to apply with these. I was so surprised. It was very better than my tweezers. And I use her palette, which is called Kiss This Whole Ass. And that's what you guys are going to do with this makeup look. Okay? Okay. Check her YouTube out, Girl with Grill. I will have that in the description bar, as well as her links to her website where you can purchase this palette. Good baby, because look at this eye. I want to do like a nice fallish but kind of a bright eye. You guys know I love gold, so I had to do my gold. Like kind of like my go-to look, but her red kind of shocked me because I wasn't expecting to be that bright. But her palette is so pigmented, it's ridiculous. It's amazing. It's amazing. So you guys, go ahead and check her out. This hair tutorial is already up too. I did that before I did this makeup look, so stay tuned for that. I will see you guys later. If you like the makeup look, like the hair and all that stuff, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to comment as well. And yeah, follow me on Instagram at AvisC. VSG_VSG, and also officially _AvisC. I will have that in the description box. Now get into these lashes and this makeup look, bitch. Yes. Yes. See you later. Watch the video.